It looks to me like I'm getting ready to make another video. And today I'm gonna work on these double doors right here. They're not fitting exactly right. They're rubbing up here at the top. And I don't want them to rub. I want it to be fixed. I'm gonna look at some other stuff on these doors too, see what we can do about fixing that, getting them ready to be painted. My phone would have to go off, wouldn't it? I don't know who it is, but in any case, I'm going to work on these two doors here, and I'm going to take care of this door over here. This particular door is rubbing, and it's not rubbing where you would think. It's not rubbing on the edge, it's rubbing on the top edge, not the side edge. You can see where it's just eating off the paint right there, off the back side. Even though I can close this door and latch it, I think it's fine, but see, it's not fitting up there. And I don't want it to be like that after it gets painted, because guess what? After it gets painted, I'm going to get that mark up there again. I don't want that. And I've got some other stuff I've noticed on here. See that kind of stuff? I'm not going to take care of that today. But I do need to take care of that before the painters come. How am I going to fix that? That looks like grease and stuff. Well, I've got a way to do that. Okay, so I'm going to work on this door today. I might not even get up to the main floor. I'm down here kind of in the, it's not really a basement. They call it something else. But anyways, I'm going to take care of this door, that one. I did work on these other two doors the other day, and if you haven't seen that, I should have all that stuff on my YouTube channel, because I should be uploading all the stuff that I did yesterday before I do the stuff today. Okay, so I fixed this door, I fixed that door, I fixed that door, I fixed this door, I fixed this door. Everything I touched down here, I looked at every single last door. I fixed that door, I fixed this door here, and it's all going to be on my YouTube channel. Anytime I end up doing something, I take along my handy Sony video camera that I got in my hand. I got extra batteries in there. I even stayed up real late last night. I had a SIM card. I only have one SIM card left. I have all kinds of SIM cards, and they hold about, I don't know, 12, 15 hours worth of video on each one. And I needed to upload that to an outside drive onto my computer so I can get them all off of the SIM card so I can keep using the SIM cards. Man, I stayed up till 1:30 last night taking one little SIM card in the camera, and I uploaded it. It takes forever to upload these things. You see? The size of mine are about that size, and mine are 64 gigabyte. It doesn't say on it. It's a little SanDisk. But they're 64 gigabytes. So I have one extra, because I was fretting the other day that I've got 6 of these SIM cards, and the last one I had them all full except the one that was in my camera. And I made lots of videos yesterday, and I thought, man, if I get all of it done on the SIM card, I don't have any more room. I don't have any more SIM cards to make more videos. And I said, no, that ain't gonna happen to Joe. Forget about that. So I stayed up late last night and got it, so I have an extra SIM card, so when the one in the camera is done, I've got another one that I can do at least another 15 hours worth of video. Okay, so I'm always got to think ahead of time, because I want to keep sharing all the videos that I do on this house, and whatever else I do for that matter. I want to get it on video so that you can start saving money around your house, because I know you can do it too. Okay, so stick around. I'm working on this door, I'm working on that door over there, and I might actually get up into the main room and start doing some stuff up there. So if you want to watch that, stick around.